Okay, so this is the nose. The oil is represented as an odor molecule, and right here is a nasal passage. As a person inhales, these molecules will travel through the nasal passage and attach to an odor receptor. Here, the water represents the olfactory receptor cells where the molecules chemically change into a neural message. And I turn this around. Right here is a wall that shows a thin layer of bone, which the olfactory receptor cells are active and send electric signals up through the olfactory bulb. The tube here is represented as axons, and the balloon shows the successful message transfer to the olfactory bulb. With this, the message is relayed via converged axons called the olfactory nerve and transmitted to higher areas of the brain. As we know, smell does not go through the thalamus, but through the amygdala. This is the only neural message that does not meet the thalamus. So this is the demonstration of how this works. The scent goes through the nasal cannula. The chemicals are reacting. The amygdala is located here, and its function is for memory and smells. This is where all messages through the nose goes to, not the thalamus. Along with the olfactory bulb, the vomer or nasal organ, is another function in detecting smells. In particular, though, only pheromones are detected by this organ. Pheromones are airborne chemicals, usually in relations with the reproductive system, more or less hormones. This deer has smelled its mate's pheromones and is ultimately attracted to her. The deer scent is a pheromone that attracts other deers. Hunters use this as a strategy to lure in deers during the hunting season. But, in other words, deer smell urine and is as map to find their mate. When they know a mate is around, they usually become aroused and physically ready to mate. The receptors for taste are in taste buds, which are grouped together in structures called papillae. In contrast to the olfactory system, which can discriminate thousands of different odors, the human taste system detects only a few elementary sensations. Through taste buds, we have sweet, which is for energy sources, and you have salty, essential to physiological processes, and then sour, potential toxic acid, and bitter is potential poison. The most important are in the front, and the least important going back. That's why most people do not like bitter tastes. And also, this is why smell and taste go hand in hand. Each taste bud responds best to one or two of these different categories, but also responds weakly to others. Here are the taste buds inside the papillae.